Okay, so here we are at Super Training Gym. We have the XpoSled here. It's a prowler on wheels, which in some ways looks a little retarded. It looks too easy. So what's the concept here? What do we got going on?
Well, in a nutshell, all the resistance comes from the motor you zoomed in on a second ago. So we're not using anything skidding. We don't have the friction. We don't have anything tearing up the surface. It's all on wheels. It's smooth. It's quiet. I mean, it is really quiet. And everything that you're putting into it is just getting converted into heat with that motor on the front. So we don't have to load up a ton of plates to make it hard. We just put a plate on it for traction. We're not tearing up your concrete. We don't have plates that are wearing out. You go as hard as you can and it'll take it. And as you start to fatigue, you're going to slow down, but you also don't grind to a stop. So it ends up being pretty brutal.
So we don't have to take a bunch of time to load up a bunch of plates. You kind of just have this one plate act as a counterbalance, and you're ready to start working out right away. Is that right?
That's it. And you can push it as hard as you want, turn around, hand it to a 10-year-old.
What do most people do with it? They sprint with it, walk with it. What are people doing with it?
Sometimes in the gym, CrossFit Richardson will do some 400-meter races, which is really, really mean, where it's just the only thing, just one thing, 400 meters, try not to stop. I think the worst workout we have is we'll set up a barbell on each end, one with 315, one with 185, 5 deadlift, push it down, 5 front squat, push it back, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. It's as fun as it sounds. Your posterior chain is just destroyed at that point.
That sounds pretty brutal. So you're the inventor of this thing, huh?
I am.
That's very mean of you.
That's what I've heard from a few people now.
So since you're the inventor of it, let's see you use it a little bit.
It's also easy to reposition.
Just kind of kick it up and it's ready to go, huh?
Yep.
Coming back the other way. Jeez. And you were also showing me earlier you can do some pushes with it, right? Like a bench press almost, right?
Yeah, we play around just with some explosive pushes. Pick a line, get set up.
Oh, there you go.
Just see how far you can take it. It won't go very far.
Nice. Well, thank you very much for sharing that with us. And that is it from supertraining.tv.
All right, thank you.